Hello everyone, I'm coming back on today to share with you how I did these two Dollar Tree hacks. And these are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 1. Hi everyone, Petalisbless here, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you, like I said, 2 more Dollar Tree hacks. So I have this butterfly here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this blue and white acrylic paint to paint out this butterfly. And today's video is sponsored by Teddy Blake. I have a bag review to share with you from them, but that will be later on in the video. So we are just going to take our paint and paint our butterfly all over with the blue paint. I was going to use white, but I think I'm going to use just the blue instead. And now I'm just going to use a piece of paper towel and wipe down the paint because I don't want it to be so strong. I want some of the wood to be showing through. So as I paint, I'll be wiping back off the paint with a piece of paper towel. Okay, here is our butterfly all dry. Looks very nice. I just wiped off some of the blue like I told you. So I'm going to be using some of these pearl stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have them in 3 different sizes, but we'll be using the large ones only. So I'll just open it up. And here we go, the large ones. And I'll also be using some of these blue bling. I think it was Walmart I got these from. I'm not sure. I've had them a while now. So I'm going to place 1 blue and 1 pearl going straight across the bottom of our butterfly stand. And I'll be doing it on both sides because when you look through the butterfly, you see the back part. So I'm going to be doing both sides, the front and the back. And now I'm going to be using some hot glue and gluing some of the blue bling going right up at here, the bottom of our butterfly. I'll be doing 3 little gems on each side, using some hot glue to help keep the little bling in place. And I'll be adding some more of our blue bling down the center of the butterfly. Alright, so now I'll be adding our little pearls. I'm just going to be placing them going all over our butterfly to help glam out our butterfly. It's so simple and easy. You could buy little items at the dollar store and then you add some extra pieces and you have a lovely piece of decor for yourself, for your home, for a gift for a loved one. It's so easy. So it's called a hack. You know, you change it from how it is and make it more glamorous. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the bag that I got from Teddy Blake. Alright, here's the box that it came in. Yeah, it says Teddy Blake, New York. So we're just going to open it up and see the inside. Discover your Teddy Blake designer bag. And in here it says Teddy Blake, New York. So we're just going to open it up. And here's the bag inside. It comes in this nice, what do they call these now? The little storage bag it comes in. Dust bag, I think it's called. Yeah, dust bag. So we're going to take out the bag and here it is. Isn't this lovely? And I love this little tab that it has here. It's nice to help decorate your bag. You could probably put your keys on here too if you choose to. I like it. And the bag is so nice and soft. It's leather. Look at this. And here's the back. I love it. And there's a strap here to hold the handles together. Or you just open it and you can keep the handles separated. So this is the inside. And this is the strap. It comes with a long strap that you can hold your bag with. If you don't want to use the 2 short handles, it has a long strap. And let me just take these things out. And as you can see, inside the bag is red. Isn't that nice? It's red. It looks beautiful. The black on the red. And here in the middle section, you have a zipper. And you can keep anything that you want in there. And the two outsides are open. And here is the bottom. It has some gold hardware on the bottom. All Teddy Blake's bags are Italian leather, really good quality, and they are made in Italy. They have lots of beautiful bags on their site for you to choose from. And they release new styles every month. And their prices are very affordable, which is really good. You get the designer look on an affordable price. I love how it looks. Look at the design in the bag, and it's black and you could see the red shining through. That's what attracted me to this bag. I absolutely love it. And this bag is the Vanessa Blossom 14-inch black and red by Teddy Blake. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. So she is a lovely bag, and here she is with the long strap. And this is her with the small strap, the back and the front. And this is me holding the bag. I think it's absolutely lovely. And it has a long strap, so you could wear it on your shoulder or you could wear it across your body. So I'm going to leave a link below to Teddy Blake so you guys can go over and check out all the nice items that they have over there to share with you. And I have a coupon code down there for you too, for you to get some change off. So remember, check every month on their site because they have new styles and lots of discounts for you all the time. Alright everyone, back to the DIY. I'm just continuing to place the pearls going right around our butterfly decor like I told you. And here's our finished look for DIY number 1. Our Glam Pearl Butterfly Decor. A lovely Dollar Tree hack. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our blue and pearl butterfly. DIY number 1. And here are the items for our DIY hack number 2. These lovely tea light candle holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I will be using some of this bling here that I got from Walmart, and you can also get it from Dollarama if you're over here. And they come with adhesive on the back. So I am just going to follow these lines that's on the leaf decor of this candle, of this tea light holder, and just bling out our leaf. Yeah, a lovely hack. So let's continue. It's a nice, easy, and fast DIY. And now we're just going to add some more of our bling to the tea light holder part. And here's our finished look for DIY number 2. 2 Glam leaf tea light holders. These are 2 glam and beautiful hack. Oh, it was so easy. Just add the gems to the leaf, follow the design on the leaf, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY hack number 2. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my 2 quick and easy DIY hacks for today, and for seeing my review from Teddy Blake. Hope you guys go over and check them out. They really have some lovely bags on their site. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.